There's something powerful about temple gongs in Thailand. They don't just make sound, they carry intention. Every strike, every vibration, travels further than we can see. In Buddhist temples, sound is not noise. It's energy. It clears the mind. It awakens awareness. When you hit a temple gong, you're not just making metal vibrate. You're sending a prayer into the universe. Even children feel it. The curiosity, the surprise, the power of that deep echo. But the real magic isn't in striking the gong. It's in rubbing it, slowly, patiently, until the sound appears from nowhere. Listen closely. Each strike is different. Each vibration is unique. Just like us, sound, and sometimes, silence says more than sound ever could. As the sun sets over the temple, the echoes fade, but the feeling remains. Peace, stillness, presence. If you enjoy exploring the spiritual side of Southeast Asia, this is Samsonite Mike on tour of Southeast Asia, the original YouTube journey. I upload weekly adventures, hidden temples, history, and real travel experiences. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my weekly uploads. And if you'd like to support the journey, you can buy me a coffee. The link is in the description below. Thanks for being here. I'll see you on the next adventure.